Hi everybody, this is how to change key, barrel, key switch, ignition in Renault Clio 3. This model is 2012, I think. I hope you like the video. So you have this clip, okay, one screw here, T20. This screw is half a twist, let's come out. You need to remove this panel, okay. After that, this whole panel goes down. Here you have no clips, you just pull it down. It's come down, okay. Under the steering wheel you have two T20 bolts. You need to take them out. Okay, now you need to remove this pin, okay. You do this with a hammer, okay, and some flat screwdriver. You take the screwdriver here, okay, and you whack it with a hammer. It takes a little bit of time, but with patience you can do it. Now I take the screw all the way out. Now the screw is out, okay. Take my keys. This direction I have a problem, that's why I replace it. I put it in the 2 position, I think. And underneath, I show you. And underneath there's a pin. After you put the car in the run position, you press the pin, and the whole assembly should come out. Now the whole assembly come out, and I replace it with a new one. Now I take the new key, put it in the run position. Now I can take it back in. I press the pin underneath. I hope you can see this pin. I press it, and now I can take it back. Now I take the key off, and it's in. Now I put this piece back in, this lower piece back in. Try to show you the best I can. This is the steering wheel, this is the top plastic, this is the bottom. I put the bottom halfway, and then I take this cover piece. You need to align it. Like this, okay. Then you take the cover piece and you align it very carefully with these pegs. You got pegs here on the side. You need to be very, very careful here. You need to align these pegs little by little. Now you take the bottom screws and you align it with this piece in both sides, here and here. Here I align it and press it. Here I have a little bit of wires. Carefully manage the wires and use the screws. The long screw goes in here just to hold it in place a little bit. I have another screw right here to align it better. Wait, I have wires here. I need to be very, very careful not to pinch it. I hope you like this video, and I hope to see you in the next video.